What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know y'all seen that thumbnail, and I know y'all read that title. Today, your girl coming to y'all and giving y'all some tea. So I am going to be showing y'all how to cut out pictures and outline your pictures for your thumbnails, just to make them look, cute or whatever. So let's just get straight into the video. This video is not going to be long, y'all, so just stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. And just talk to me because I want to get to know y'all. But let's get straight into the video. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and choose the photo that you're wanting to use. So for instance, I am going to be using, let me show you guys. I'm going to be using a picture of Nicki Minaj, and this is the picture that I am going to be using. So I am going to, this my girl, y'all. I love her, so I decided to go with this picture. I thought it was really, really cute. So first thing first is you see how this picture actually has a background. So if I wanted to cut just her out of this image and just cut the background out, what I would do is simply go to, it is called Bazaar. It's the app called Bazaar, and they do have this app in the Apple Store for free, and you don't have to pay for it to use it or anything. So as soon as you get to the Bazaar app, you want to go to the plus sign at the bottom here. You want to go with start with a photo, and then I'm just going to go ahead and choose that photo with the background on there. And then so this is actually the step to where you can outline the picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to cut the picture out in Bazaar. I'm actually going to outline in Bazaar. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this here. Then I'm going to go back to my home screen, and then I'm going to go to my eraser app. So the eraser app is also free. You can get that in the Play Store as well, and you don't have to pay for it. So then I'm just going to hit the picture icon in the left-hand corner here, and I'm just going to choose that picture with the background. I'm going to hit erase. I'm going to hit target area in the middle, and then I'm just going to hit it like that. So this is a way that you can do it. This way is kind of tedious because you got to kind of go in and you have to erase like this. So that is kind of a tedious process. So if you don't want to do it like this, the easiest way for me, I don't know if this will be easy for you, but the easiest way for me, and do what you feel is easy for you, but how I normally do it is instead of using the eraser app, this is my second option to use in case I'm trying to really get it really, really good and spot on. But most of the time, I just simply go to pixar. Pixar is also an app that is free that you can get from the Play Store, completely free. You don't have to pay for it or anything. You do have to deal with ads. They will pop up on the screen here. Okay, so once we get into Pixar, I'm just going to go down here to the bottom to the plus sign. And I'm going to go to that photo that I want to cut out the background. And then at the very bottom here, I'm going to scroll over and I'm going to go to cutout. And then I'm going to hit person. And I'm going to hit preview just to see how it'll look before I cut the background out. So this is how it looks. And then that's how it's going to look once I cut it out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it to my camera roll. And since I already have this image saved, I'm not going to save it again, but I am going to show you guys exactly how to get that outline, border outline on the image. So from there, you just want to go back to Bazaar, your Bazaar app, and we can actually get rid of that. I'm going to hit the plus sign again. I'm going to hit photos, and I'm going to go ahead and add that photo that I cut out. And that's the wrong one, so let me get the right one here. Okay, and then so here is the picture that I cut out, that we just cut out. So now that I have the picture here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get the white border on your pictures. So at the very bottom, you want to scroll over and you want to go to outline. Once you hit outline, you can go ahead and choose a color. I normally just make it white. I just normally make it a white outline. So, or you can do black. I normally keep it white. And then you can also size it. So you can make it as big as as thick or bold as you want, or small. So I normally pretty much like it just like this. So it's not too much and it's not too little, but you can tell. So that is optional. And then, like I said, you can also change the colors on your outline as well if you don't want to have just the basic white. So this is one way that you can go ahead and do the outline. And this is actually the quickest way to put an outline border on your images. So yeah, that is pretty much all that you do. So you can either use the eraser app. Now I'll go back to it here. So you can either use the eraser app and kind of just, you have to be careful with it. So you can either do that, or you could use pixar. And pixar is pretty easy. Like I just showed you guys, you just want to hit cutout, you want to hit person, and then you can preview it just to see how it'll look. And that's how it'll look once it is cutting out that person. And then once you do that, you just want to hit save, and it'll go ahead and save to your camera roll. And then actually, once you have it saved, you want to go back to Bazaar, and then you want to put the image here, and you want to go again. I'm going to show you guys again here. Here's the image with no border, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit outline. I'm going to hit color. I'm going to choose black. Go ahead and size it down, and there it is. So that is how you get to put an outline on your photos, and you also can cut out any image that you want to, cut out the background using PixArt, or you can use the eraser app. And keep in mind that all these apps are free, so make sure y'all enjoy it and get creative with your thumbnails. This will make it pop more. And if you got any other videos that y'all want to see, or any questions that I didn't cover in this video, make sure you comment that down below. And again, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Hey.